Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Ulta Beauty. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ulta.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Ulta Beauty website. Simply click on the join/sign in button at the top right corner and now you can use your email address and your password to sign in to your account. After signing in to your Ulta Beauty account, you will be taken into the home page once again. Now, if you wish to delete your account, you can look for the options by tapping on the profile option at the top right corner once again, and then tapping on Manage Account. You will then be taken into your Account Manage or Settings page. Now, from your Account Management page, you can look around, but there is no option to delete your account directly. So, in order to delete your account, scroll all the way down and underneath the Get Help option, click on Contact Us. You will then be taken into the Contact page. Now, you have various different options of contacting them. You can either use a text or a call, and you can also chat with a specialist. You can also click on Send Us an Email to directly send an email notification letting them know that you want your account to be deleted. You will then be able to fill up a form. Simply type in your first and your last name, followed by your email address and your phone number. Then underneath, select a topic. You can choose the website option, and then within the subtopic, you can simply scroll over and click on Account Issue. And then within the comment section, simply type in that you wish to delete your account, but you don't find the option anywhere. Then click on the Continue button, and this will send your email notification to the Ulta Beauty support team. After sending your email, you will need to wait for a while until you receive a response. Then you can simply follow the instructions within the email response to go ahead and delete your Ulta Beauty account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on the Ulta Beauty website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.